mamaya magpo-posting ako na magla-live ako sa tree kasi sa birthday ko. Kung meron akong blessings, dapat magpapalaro ako, guys. Kaso wala akong blessings. Wala akong ano, ibig sabihin, ipapampalaro natin. Hi there! Oh, 'di ba dumadami na yung ano, yung mga katoto doon. Thank you for votes to our poll question. So, big shout out each and every one of you. May nilagay ako doon pan-trap ng ipis, guys. So, dumadami na yung federasyon nila doon, oh, sa trap ng ipis doon. Doon sa ilalim ng lababo nilagay ko. Ayun, oh. Trap sila. Hindi sila makaano. Grabe ang dikit niya. Sige, magtumpukan kayo dyan. Hello! Big shout out! I cannot read your name since that it was written as Arabic language, in Arabic language. And I cannot read it. So sorry. Diyos ko, anong oras no? Ano na? Sobrang ano pa rin. Sobrang mainit pa din. Grabe. Happy birthday, Rochelle Salvador. Big shout out, Rochelle Salvador. Thank you for calling last time. Rochelle Salvador at Singapore. Ingat kayo dyan, be. Ang kulit talaga ano talaga yun? Si Mitzi, napakaingay. Hi there! Thank you for joining. Heads, where are you? Are you here, Heads? From UK. I'm waiting for you. Big shout out to Heads. Bakit ganun? Kaninong aso yun, Nak? Yung parang umaalulong. Narinig mo ba yon? Hi, Bas. Hindi mo na ako dinadalaw, Bas, ha? Bas! Bas! Hi! Welcome at Aina Diana Glick. Live. Thank you for votes on our poll. Votes asking. And answer question. Question and answer poll. Wow, thank you for joining. Hello there. Click the okay on at live. Please click